that they have to say together so that this trailer gets cute. So could we have the mantra please on the screen? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Girls, I leave it to you.
Center down, Dino. तीनों का श्वेता जी
All right. Thank you.
तमन्ना यहाँ पे सामने
तमन्ना जी
तमन्ना लेफ्ट में यहाँ पे सामने सेंटर
वाओ
Javed says it, Arjun.
पार्टनर
Sufi's found his chair. All right, and Neeraj sir's got his. Colin's here. And we've got Diana and Tamanna right here.
थैंक यू सो मच आने के लिए
सर आप देखिए सर सेंटर सर लेफ्ट सर लेफ्ट
सेंटर सर सेंटर
Okay, we'll share a mic. All right, so Apurva, I'm going to start with you. You've been at the helm of building Dharmatic into one of the most powerful storytelling spaces in our country. So from your perspective, what about you on a partner felt so fresh and compelling that you knew that we had to make this show?
So, good afternoon, everyone. Wonderful to see all of you here. Thank you for making it. So, at the very onset, the very first thing that really excited us about the show is exploring a universe which you've really not seen on screen earlier. It's a very, very fresh take on romance, love, friendship, and once you see it, you'll realize that it's absolutely incredible. And it's the great thing about the show is that it doesn't take itself too seriously. And at the same time, it makes a very strong message about empowering women and the child.
To kindly stay on stage. Wow, I took your names and you already knew what to do. Let me just say, you guys, okay, are giving me season after season vibes. All right, I have a feeling this is the first in many. Yeah, so just want to say thank you so much for being with us. Those chairs will magically line up because where Javed sir is, there's always some magic. Never forget that. And while that happens, don't forget your names are on your seats. You might have to actually look for them and find them. And we shall have you sitting on the stage. Can I request?
नकुल भाई यहाँ पे श्वेता जी यहाँ पे देखिए सर यहाँ पे सामने सर
सेंटर
जावेद सर यहाँ पे वेट जावेद सर सामने सर लेफ्ट देखिए
सर सेंटर थैंक यू मैम सेंटर ऑल ऑफ यू श्वेता मैम साथ में तमन्ना जी
तीनों का साथ में
तीनों का थोड़ा ये साइड है ना थोड़ा ये साइड
सेंटर में आइए बस यही चलेगा मैडम लेफ्ट पे देखिए लेफ्ट पे सेंटर ऑल भी सेंटर लेफ्ट मैडम तमन्ना जी सेंटर में देखिए श्वेता मैम सेंटर मैडम लेफ्ट पे
मैम सेंटर
सेंटर डाउन बोल सेंटर डाउन
सेंटर डाउन
I am dying. Like all my dreams are coming. Can I just say it was my dream to stand next to you on a stage one day?
Oh my god, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. Hi. This is amazing. It's my honor to stand right next to you. Thank you so much. Shweta ji. We'll pass this to you. Thank you so much. Shweta ji, without giving away any spoilers, what do you think that the audience will enjoy most about your character in this show?
Okay, let me tell you. Have you heard of this term? No, not term exactly. It's a drink. Whiskey on the rocks. My character is exactly like that.
Oh wow.
I'm Lela on rocks because one sip and you know how dangerous she is.
Oh wow. Okay.
That's what I'm going to tell you. And if you see, you've never seen me doing that ever. Even I've not seen myself doing anything like that ever. And I don't think I can do that again. But you are going to like Lela the most.
Oh, thank you, Shweta ji. This is amazing. Neeraj sir, I'm going to pass that mic to you. Shweta ji, thank you so much. I'll be honest with you, Neeraj sir, आपको ना मैंने कभी fraud करते देखा है, ना सुना है, ना जुगाड़ करते हुए देखा है, ना सुना है. तो बताइए इस कहानी में आपका जो तड़का है वो कौन से किस्म का होने वाला है?
बड़ा मजेदार किस्म का ये किरदार है
क्या बात है?
जो मैंने आज तक शायद इस तरह का किरदार परफॉर्म नहीं किया है. ये मैं ऐसा नहीं कहूँगी अलग है, बट ये जुगाड़ू नहीं है जैसे ये लोग हैं. ये बड़ा मजेदार किरदार है. ये एक किरदार है जिससे आपको मोहब्बत भी हो जाएगी, उससे आप नफरत भी करेंगे और अंत में शायद आप उसे दिल में रखते हुए रहेंगे.
Fantastic. This is my pun for the day, Karan. Please forgive me. Let me say you're looking fantastic, and of course, season's greetings, as I say, because it's such a beautiful time in the city. So a little bit of traffic, but most of us are here. You've always had your finger on the audience's pulse, Karan. So I want to ask you, what made you think that Do You Want a Partner is a winning brew?
Well, it was my pickup line for Amazon.
Oh. That's amazing.
I think that's something that we have always wanted to do is partner with, I think, the best, and I truly believe they're such a powerful streaming platform and are known for their tremendous content, have been OGs. You know, some of the most successful breakthrough shows have been on Prime, and like they have truly defined the content coming out of India, and it was also very exhilarating to, you know, kind of work in tandem with the entire team of Amazon, with Nikhil and Sahira and Gaurav and all of them. And Do You Want a Partner is actually very special to us for various reasons. A, we love shows led by women. We just absolutely love shows led by women. Some of the most strong content that has been made in our company has been, you know, women oriented, and we say that in a good way because we believe that women really deserve the platform that they get today in every which way. This is a show about aspiration, it's a show about dreams coming true, it's a show about fun and chutzpah all in abundance. I think both Tamanna and Diana coming together in Do You Want a Partner truly has been a spectacular moment of casting for us. Also Archit and Colin directing it, Apurva and
Happy family photo. और उसके लिए of course can I please call on stage to join the lovely Tamanna and Diana, Shweta, Neeraj, Sufi, Javed sir, Nakul on the stage. First, can I please have you all? And along with them the lovely Karan, Nikhil, Somain, Apurva, Archit and Colin to also join us. Can I also welcome on stage Mithun Gangpadhyay, one of the creators who is also with us today, who was mentioned a little while ago, and of course Sahira Nair, head of Hindi scripted series Prime Video India. ये है असली full body picture boss, the people who brew the ideas and the ones who are serving it to the world. My friends from the media, it's time for you to get your white shorts, and this is our moment for you to capture.